read the Qur'an in Ramadan, but where are our children when we do? What if this month became the moment their love for the Qur'an truly began? Welcome back to our Ramadan Reminder Series, Day 26. Increasing our children's love for the Qur'an? During Ramadan, we often see many parents reading the Qur'an, and this is praiseworthy. But if we ask these parents what their children are doing at that moment, the answer is often, they're watching TV, on the computer, sleeping, or playing. Why shouldn't the father return home after the afternoon prayer and gather his sons and daughters to read the Qur'an together? Why not encourage them to recite? If they already know how, why not help them improve? After all, the Qur'an is the word of Allah. If we neglect teaching it to our children, would this not be a form of carelessness toward Allah's words? We must understand that our responsibility toward our children does not end by simply bringing them into this world. Ramadan is a blessed opportunity to teach them the Qur'an in the best possible way. When we do this, we gain many benefits. We protect our children from harmful distractions. We prevent precious time from being wasted. We safeguard them, especially daughters, from heedlessness. We fill our homes with faith and spiritual light. We strengthen trust and love between parents and children. We may even complete a Quran recitation together, walking toward Allah's pleasure as a family. A home where the Quran's read together is a home filled with light. Let this Ramadan be the beginning of your family's journey with the Quran. Subscribe to Light of Iman for daily Ramadan reminders and share this message with parents who want the best for their children. May Allah make our homes places of Quran and mercy.